Calvin with Blue Chip Decks, and today I'm going to go over just a small example on how to purchase your small deck design, and also just some examples of what the small deck design is. So what I'm going to quickly do is just share my screen. Okay, and so in this, I'm going to just move this over actually. So in this email, so this is what you'll be sent for your small deck design email. So we at this point we've probably already had a conversation. So you've probably clicked on this button here just exactly to figure out how to do this. So what you want to do is you can read over the email here, and what we want to do is we want to click on this link, small deck design, that's going to take us to our page where we can order the design. So we're going to just click on that, and we're going to just bring this over here. So this is the page. So this is going to outline exactly what you're going to be getting for your small deck design. So right now I have it at $197. So what that's going to include is it's going to include the dimensional plan view, which will be something like this. It'll include scale drawings to the house, so that'll be something like this. 2 drawings like that. 1 design revision, so if we need to make some adjustments, you can just give me a call or just send me an email, and we can make some changes to it just to adjust it to get it exactly how you want it. A 3D perspective video, so that'll look something like this. So that'll be kind of like a panning video like this of the deck circling around it so you can see all the details. So this is just another example I was going to give. I'm going to give examples after, but it's going to be something like that for this deck, just for a better example. You also get the so that these 3D perspective images are also included, so they're kind of the same thing. This just means that they're scaled to the house because they're all sized accurately to the house like they should be. And then it'll be, obviously these are the 3D perspectives, and then the screen share design meeting is basically what we do initially together to figure out exactly what you want. So you kind of get 2 design meetings. So we get the initial one where we have our conversation, and then we usually do a follow-up after. So you know, this is all included with design. How we normally do it is if you're buying a deck with us, we also refund the price of this onto the project. So the $197 would be refunded if you buy a project after that. So I'm going to just go ahead and just kind of go through the thing here, the purchase. So I have 2 in here, and then you just hit. So I'm going to just remove this one because this is from a different thing. But for here, you'd have your small deck design. You have 1, quantity 1, checkout. And then you would just put in all your contact info here, and then continue to payment, and you would just enter your credit card information from there. And as soon as you do that, I'm going to get a notification, and I will be notified like that you have made your purchase, and I'll get started on the project. Most likely in the future, I'll be sending you a confirmation email saying that we're going to be getting started on your project. So just look for that in the near future. Just to let you know in terms of like what is a small deck design and how is it useful. So I'm going to just quickly go over these 3 designs. So the reason why I have this service is it seems kind of like crazy to get like a deck design for a small deck like this, but the reality is a lot of people don't understand what the size of the deck actually means to them, and they don't know how this is going to fit their furniture or fit different aspects, how they're going to fit it in their yard, or you know, how to make, you know, things exactly line up. So that's why I offer this service. It's not just for square decks. It's going to be for kind of decks that look like this, single level, kind of under 300 square feet or so. So that's how I kind of want to keep it. So single level decks, something that people might need some help with, just visualizing. And you know what I usually do too, let's see, I'm going to go to a different one here. I'm going to go to actually this guy. Is what we can actually do in a lot of cases is I can throw some, let's see, let's switch this up. I can throw furniture in here for people as well, just so people can know exactly, like this is a barbecue, and we'll just do like a table and chairs here too. Oh, I lost my barbecue. But anyway, you get the idea. So I can actually size the furniture perfectly in here as well. So it's another good part about being able to do this together is you can figure out your furniture and kind of the smaller details without having actually constructed anything. So that pretty much sums up what the small deck design is. If you want to, if you're looking for more information, just give me a call, or you can also send me an email at info@bluechipdecks.com. You can also look for other design and deck ideas at www.bluechipdecks.com, or you can also visit us on Instagram, Facebook. We also have a lot of YouTube videos coming out too, so you can check us out there. And if you have any questions, just feel free to give me a call. You guys have a nice night, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.